Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can remove blue tint color on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility. Next, we go down and tap on visibility enhancements. Then we go down and tap on add color filter. Make sure you turn off color filter because color filters can cause the screen to go blue. So that is how you can turn it off. Now after that, if you still have a very bluish color on your screen, what you can do is go back into visibility enhancement and tap on color adjustment. And in here, you go down and tap on personalized color, or you can choose one of the preset color up here, Proton, Deutin, or Triton. You can have a look at the preview picture at the top here. So when you select a color, the colors will change in this picture right here. Otherwise you can select personalized color, and in here you can set your own colors by going to the setup, and in here you can simply select the color that you feel comfortable with matching the colors down here. So in here we just continue to tap on the color that's closest match to the dot right here. And then tap on done. And you can also change the intensity of your colors. And you can take a look up here if we go down to low intensity or increase the intensity to high. And you can have a look at the picture preview up here. And make sure you turn it on to apply the changes. If you take a look at right here, around here, if I turn it on, you can see the color will changes around this part right here. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.